everywhere. Fruits and herrings, dykes and fairies. Tell me.
On our way. Just caught this nice bass. It was about like a 2-pounder. About my 5th or 4th cast of the day on my spinner bait. That should be good. Grant with fish number dos of the day on a crankbait. Looks like a deep diving crankbait. Don't get hooked.
Gotta get that.
That's a good sized one for sure.
Ah, I got hooked. Ah, I'm gonna get bassed on by the end of this day. Got it.
Alright, that's a good fish. About a 2-pounder again. Alright, let's get the release on it. Get in the release.
Come on, bro.
There he goes.
There he goes. Back in the door.
Grant caught a fish. Fish number 3. It's all rapid fire right now. We're hoping to stay here all day. Make a good video.
Caught it on the beaver tail.
Beaver tail, Texas rigging. Pop it out.
I can't. I had it out with this little fish.
Let's see how we ate it. Oh yeah. Oh, got it out. Alright, a little smaller one compared to what we caught today. Get the release on it.
Dang! Okay.
Alright, good fish.
Got me wet.
Fish on! Oh, another small one. Third fish for Grant. He's killing it. Oh.
Can't you just stay still? Ah, he's tearing it up. Knock it off.
Alright. I might just tie on what Grant's using.
That was easy.
Good fish. 3. Put him back.
With the bait casting boat.
Alright.
Well, I've caught 3 fish. Chump over there has got 1. And instead of getting bass thumb right now, starting to get some like thumb cleavage thumb. I don't know. But it hurts. That's all I gotta say. That one.
Are you kidding me? Yeah, make sure you catch one good. Is it big? Just show the camera when you're done, Grant. Like walk it up to the camera.
Well, it's about 18 inches, 2.5, maybe 3 pounds. Just snapped off my Texas rig hook, my 4-aught, little stinker. Here we go.
There he goes. Got it. Whoa! Oh, nice one. Oh my God! Lord. Look. 3 pounds. 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 3 po I caught this monster over here. Look at the gut on this thing. It's huge. This is definitely my best bass ever.
PB.
All right, let's get the release on it.
Hold on, let me see it.
Dude, he has some big teeth. Oh God.
And it's 3 pounds. That's 3 pounds.
All right.
Wait, let me feel the belly. Oh, it just ate something too.
All right, let's get the release on it. It's got this very nice bass.
4 pounds.
It's bigger than my other one. It's probably another PB, 4 pounds maybe.
3 PBs in one day? How do you feel?
Well, I love this pond. That's how I feel. You ready for some more bass? Ready?
No. Just gently set him in so we can see him swim away. There he goes.
Back to back fish. Do you want me to land him, Grant?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna have to put you.
I don't know. Can't tell. Grab him, please.
Woo! Oh my God!
Is he 5 pounds?
This is huge.
Get the camera, get the camera.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Here, pick it up, Grant. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh God, that's a big one. We just got another big one.
Dude, this thing is heavy.
That is huge.
It's 4 pounds.
It's got to be 4.
It's got to be a 4-pounder. He hit it as soon as the lure hit the water.
All right, that's a nice one,
Look
Greg.
how bloody their teeth are.
Yeah, look at those teeth. They hurt.
They're
They're tearing up our
pads.
thumbs. All right.
This thing is just so freaking big.
Let him go.
There he goes.
Woo! Let's go.
Yeah.
Here, let me see him.
No, I'll land him.
Grant caught another fish, dude. These beaver tails, I swear, we're just pounding the shore. That's another one.
3-pounder.
2-pounder.
Feel it.
All right, good fish.
Yeah, feel it.
We'll get the release. Sorry, folks, I didn't get that. I was eating some Cheetos, but Grant caught a nice sized bass.
Dude, this is 4 pounds. Do you want to feel it? You know what, Grandpa? I'm going to try and toss it right to your lure. You should hit your lure now.
Well, we had a good day of fishing. We pumped out a ton of fish for you guys. I had a blast. We only been here for like 3 hours and we caught like 10, 9, 2 pounds and above bass. So it's been a good day. I caught my PB. You know, I'm pretty pumped about that. So, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.